Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey May and this is Bailey May Vlogs. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So I really appreciate your support. So you guys, so in today's video we'll be making a banana plum smoothie. So the last one I made avocado banana smoothie. If you did not watch that video, kindly go back to my videos and watch it. So you guys loved that one, and today we'll be making this plum banana smoothie because the plums are already in the market. They are on season, so you can find them like anywhere. So the today's smoothie, I have never tried it before, but I'm so excited to try it with you guys. So yeah, let's get into it.
You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade away? You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that led us here, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way.